Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Mr. Zuni back at it with another video, and I picked up another Greats item. So this was a great deal. I picked this up for like $80 on Nordstrom. They had a crazy sale on a bunch of shoes like Santoni's, Greats, Common Projects. They had sale on Kuyo. They had sale on. So they had a lot of good sales on like the top, well, their top brands, the shoes. So I picked up a not all black, but I picked up the Royal. So I picked up the black and white sole. So I'm super happy to get this in my rotation. So I picked up the same sizing 8. I would suggest, for me, I think I would want to go in at 8.5. Maybe try a 9, but these fit. And I know that leather fits out. They're not like super tight, but yeah, I would probably get them a little bit bigger. But yeah, so here's the shoes, and I am so happy to get these babies in. Sorry about that, my camera's messing up. I don't know why my camera is like now, or the tripod is now moving down and not working. All right, maybe that's a little bit better. Okay, so I picked up the Royals in black, and I do like the black. I think these look good with like black jeans, shorts, khaki, stuff like that. So yeah, I like super happy on the deal. I made sure everything looked right. These are the ones without the amalgam sole. So these are the new generations. But I like the black. The paneling on the black doesn't look too, it's like super loud. So it's kind of subtle. Like if you look at it from like far away, you kind of don't really even see the stripes. That's one of my gripes on the Greats as a whole. It's kind of bulky, and like I don't really like the stripe paneling on the side, but on with the black, like I can't even tell. I like that. It's nice. You got the perforation right there, the Greats logo on the tongue, and then you got the Greats on the back because that is their own sole that they have. So yeah. But everything looks really good on these. So I picked these up for $80. Like that's a super good steal. Like I see Greats go on sale maybe every once in a while, maybe $20 off max, because they go for like 169, 179, and these are really good to pick up for $80. Like I think they're back on Nordstrom right now, but they're $110. So I'll have the link in the description. But there's nothing, I don't see any defects on these shoes. They look really clean. Look brand new. They don't really look like they've been worn or anything like that. I did try them on just to make sure they fit. But yeah, if you see my last video, I have it linked in the description. I have the white pair with the gum sole. So I think these are gonna be really good pickup. I really like this colorway. I think it looks really good with black pants and shoes. That's probably what my thumbnail will be. If you guys see in the link in the description, you'll see the black outfit. And yeah, I think these are just solid shoe inside. The leather is pretty good for the price, like under $200. Calfskin leather, the veg tan leather inside. It's just a really clean shoe. I really do like the wax laces, and you know that these are just a versatile shoe. Black, you can't go wrong. I don't have too many black shoes. I've been buying a lot of white shoes for some reason, and I also picked up another pair that should be coming in soon. I picked up the Oliver Cabell, like the German trainers. So like the Gats, they call it. So I picked those up for like an incredible steal as well. So like I'm just trying to find good steals and deals on the websites. I'm just checking them out, checking online. You can find some good sales right now, especially right now with the retail market being how it is and the world being how it is. You can find a lot of good steals. So I recommend try Nordstrom. I know they have a bunch of Common Projects, and they go on sale about like 20 to 30% off, depending what you have. Also picked these, like I said, I picked these up for $80 shipped. And I also received a $15 note. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I'll probably buy shoe care cleaner. And like I said, I bought the Oliver Cabell German trainers. Those are in white, and the gum sole. I really like Bart, like I've been telling you, like for the summer especially. And I went on the Oliver Cabell website and I bought the shoe tree and the shoelaces, just get extra shoelaces. So I'll do a video on those items when they come in. I'll probably end up doing the video first because they should be here, I think tomorrow. So I'll do the video on that. But yeah, guys, like I picked these up for like a super good steal, and I want to just link in the description below so you guys can get an opportunity to get them for a discount. And they're restock, like they restock all these shoes for some reason. I don't know. They go out of stock and they restock them back in. Maybe it's because like the $80 price range, they can only sustain that for like a little bit. Because like originally I was gonna buy the all white ones. I wanted to get the all white ones, but like I said before, I don't like the paneling on the all white. I don't know why, but the black, it's a little bit more subtle, and because it's a black colorway, it doesn't look as bulky. So if it is a little bit bulky, it's black, so it kind of like slims the profile down. Like I feel like these shoes are slimmer than the other shoes, the other whites. Obviously, it could be an illusion. Like I said, the color wise, but yeah, this is a great steal for these shoes, and I'm happy to add these into my collection. And these are something I'm going to be wearing throughout the summer, even fall, like fall time. Just a casual sneaker. These are just really comfortable, and I like the footbed, and I just think this is a solid brand. Like I said before, I think I've showed in my last video, I really like how like I know it's kind of like people don't show this a lot, but I think about it often when I'm buying shoes. If I can get it out, the sole on these are super awesome. They are orthotic. I can't make it out. I took it out earlier, but these are orthotic. So it's a leather lined. I'm not sure what type of leather. I saw the Oliver Cabell website that they were saying that they are their brand is like a calfskin insole, but I don't think they state exactly what this is. I'm sure it's just like a veg tan leather, maybe like the lining. But let me know in the description below if you guys know exactly what type of leather the insoles are. But like I said, I like how it's like a leather out insole, and then the bottom is like an orthotic, so that's great for people with no arches or low arches. Helps you out on walking. But yeah, guys, let me know in the description below if you picked up anything from like Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, because they have a lot of sales on Magnani. They have grades, Common Project, stuff like that. So I'm really happy for these shoes. I just want to give them a quick just to show you guys, because I want to start wearing them before they get dirty. But yeah, guys, let me know in the description below if this is a good deal, and would you pay $80 for these? And let me know if you guys have like found any crazy deals during this time, because like I'm telling you, the deals are out there. I'm trying not to buy so much, but I needed a new pair of black shoes. Like I said, I don't really have too many black pairs, and I just want a good solid just a sneaker. And like I said, it's gonna be good for the summer, and I'm very excited to wear these. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.